Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn about how to find the greatest common divisor of a number. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so before starting this, I'll just you know I'll just explain what do I mean by greatest common divisor. Okay, so it's called greatest common divisor. It's GCD. Okay, suppose I have to find GCD of two numbers A and B. Okay, so there are two numbers. Example, say 5, yeah, 5 and 30. So 5 and 30, how can we find this GCD? Okay, so suppose say we have to divide both these numbers. Okay, we have to divide both these numbers, and whichever is greater we have to choose that number. So we know that 5 is the only number which divides 5 itself and 30. Okay, we only know that much. So but there are many other examples, like if I say any number like 9 and uh, 15. Okay, so what will be the GCD of 9 and 15? We know that 9 can divide itself, but it cannot divide 15, so 9 cannot be that number. Okay, so say 3 can divide 9, and it can also divide 5. So how can we achieve this? To achieve this, we can do like, first we'll just get the minimum of these two numbers. Okay, so minimum of these two numbers is 9. Okay, so whenever we write like this, okay, say we'll take a we'll take a variable, say res, and we'll just assign it to minimum of a comma b. Okay, so whatever will be the minimum of this, we'll just apply it in the loop. Okay, so I'll just show you how to do it for now. Okay, so I hope you understood till here. So we'll just take the minimum of these two numbers, and we'll consider that is the result for now. Okay, currently. So let me put this down here to the library, and using name namespace, yeah, std, and driver code here, and say there are two numbers. We'll input a comma b, and we'll just input a and b, and okay, here we're fine. Till here we are fine, and now we'll just make another function. Okay, so say GCD. You have to find the GCD, right? So int GCD of a and b. Sorry. Yeah, now what we need to do is uh, just see. Okay, just watch. Okay, I'll just show you here. Okay, suppose that, where is the cursor? Yeah, suppose that 9 and 15 we have taken. Okay, so at first we'll just consider minimum of 9 and 15, which is minimum out of these two. Obviously 9. So first the value of res will be 9. Okay, value of res will be 9. Here 9. So now it'll check whether 9 is divisible by 9 and 15 both. So we know that 9 is divisible by 9 but not by 15. So we'll just just leave this part and decrement the value. Okay, why decrement? Because we cannot increment, because greater than 9 is 10, so we obviously know that 10 cannot divide 9. and neither 15. Even if it divided 15 any number, okay, it won't work for the current minimum number. Okay, so this is the problem. That's why we have to decrement. Okay, so when we decrement again, it will come 8. Again it will check for 8. Is 8 divisible by 9? No. Is the 8 divisible by 15? No. So we have to, it is mandatory for us to be, for the number to be divisible by both numbers a and b, in which this case is 9 and 15. So it will go on and it will check for number. Okay, at last 3 will come, and we know that 3 is divisible by 9 as well as 15. Okay, so we'll get the value of, where is the cursor again, it's too small. The value of rest will be 3, so it will return 3. So GCD of 9 and 15 is 9 and 15 is 3. Okay, so this is how we'll code. First we'll just check, why do we apply while loop? Because we don't know till where you have to go, right? That's why we have to apply while loop. Or you can do with do while, but not with for, because for there is a condition till where you want to do it maximum. Okay, so while while a, that is 9 in our case, just let me give for the instance 9 comma 15. So 9 percent, let me define that value here, int res. Okay, res is equal to minimum of, we have to take a comma b. Okay, so it will take the minimum, that is 9 here, and sorry, while res is greater than 0. Why we are putting this condition? Because assume that it doesn't get 3, then assume that it doesn't get 3, then 2, then 1, then it will go on and it will reach till -1, then -2, then -3. That we don't want, right? So in order to nullify that outcome, we'll have to give greater than 0, that is positive, right? It should be positive, not negative. So while results value is greater than 0, what you do is give an if statement and check whether the result value is divisible by the a, and also b b percent b percent sorry b percent res is equal to 0. So the moment we get this value, okay, the moment we get, suppose here, where is it, yeah, suppose here you keep on decrementing, and the moment we get a value is like 3. Is 3% 9 divisible? Yes. Is 3% 15 equal to 0? Yes. Then what we need to do is just break and come out of the loop. Okay, just break and come out of the loop. After that, return the value res. Okay, so this much is done, and also we need to keep on decrementing, so we just keep on decrementing this while this loop is running. Okay, so this will return the result, and here just see out the GCD of what, a and b is, let's give GCD of a comma b. Sorry, here, right, it's done. Now let's try to run the code. Okay, I just gave the wrong spelling. Okay, now using name space, we give 9 and 15. Yes, DCD is 3 as I explained to you here. Okay, so let's see for another number. say I want to search for 200 and 400. It should give me 200 because 200 is divisible by 200 and as well as 400. Yes, it's correct. So, but guys, there's one problem here. This is a naive approach. Okay, I always try to, you know, go with the naive approach first in order to understand the concept, and then in the next video I'll show you how to make it more optimized using Euclidean algorithm. So for the time being, I'll just take a leave and thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubt or any query, you can just comment down below and ask me, and I'll answer you as well. So thank you guys. I'll just take a leave and yeah, bye.